Hi, it's Alexia from LPT Medical. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing for the SimplyGo Mini. So first off, we're going to take everything out of the box and show you what comes included in your SimplyGo Mini package. So first we have the manual. And then there is a carry case with a shoulder strap. You will receive your battery. You have your AC power supply, which is your wall charger. And you will also get the DC power supply, which is the car charger. And then we have the unit itself. So now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up your SimplyGo Mini for first time use. So you'll notice that it's already in its carry case. What you're going to do is open it up, unzip, and pull the unit out so we can install the battery. Going to grab your battery, slide it into the grooves, and it will click right on. Then we're going to put the unit back in its case. You want to make sure that this slot is available for charging. You will zip it up and then attach your cannula right over here. And now your SimplyGo Mini is ready to turn on. So to power on the SimplyGo Mini, it is a touch screen. You're going to press the power button twice. The unit will turn on. There are a couple different things on here to check the battery percentage. You press this and it will tell you what percentage your battery is at. Press the home button to go back. There is also a settings button. You can press this. There is an information setting. There is a brightness setting to adjust the brightness of the screen. There is a volume setting to adjust the volume. An alarm setting for any alarms you may have. And a setting to change the language. To go back to the main screen, simply press the home button again. To adjust your flow settings, press this. You can easily go higher. The machine will go up to 5 and go lower to go down. To turn the unit off, simply press the power button again twice. The SimplyGo Mini is 9.4 inches high, 3.6 inches in depth, and 8.3 inches wide. The SimplyGo Mini weighs in at only 5 pounds. It has pulse flow settings of 1 to 5. It has 2 different battery options. It has a standard battery, which on a setting of 2 will give you up to 4.5 hours of battery life. It also has an extended battery, which on a setting of 2 will give you up to 9 hours of battery life. SimplyGo Mini is great for people who need to go out during the day, run errands, doctor's appointments. It is also great for traveling. So you do have that 9-hour battery for plane trips and things like that. Carry case makes it very simple to carry over your shoulder, just like a bag or a purse. If you'd like to see how the SimplyGo Mini compares to other portable oxygen concentrators, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to join our Facebook group where you get to interact and ask questions with other oxygen users just like yourself. But most importantly, if you're in the market for a portable oxygen concentrator like this, be sure to visit our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen. You can speak with one of our respiratory specialists to help you find the best concentrator to fit your needs.